The Duchess of Sussex is suing Associated Newspapers Limited, ANL, publisher of the Mail on Sunday and the Mail Online, over 5 articles published in February which reproduced parts of a handwritten letter she sent to her father Thomas Markle in August 2018. Meghan, who quit royal duties with Prince Harry last March and is now living in America, is seeking damages for alleged misuse of private information, copyright infringement and breach of the Data Protection Act. At a remote High Court hearing which started yesterday, the former actress's lawyers are applying for summary judgment of her claim for misuse of private information and alleged breach of copyright, a legal step which would see those parts of the case resolved without a trial. The full trial was due to be heard this month, but last year the case was adjourned until autumn 2021 for a confidential reason. On Tuesday, Meghan's estranged father told the High Court that her letters signaled the end of our relationship. In a witness statement filed by ANL's lawyers for the hearing, Mr. Markle insisted the suggestion by a longtime friend of his daughter in People magazine that she sent the letter to repair our relationship was false. "We will use your email address only for sending you newsletters. Please see our privacy notice for details of your data protection rights." And he claimed she showed no concern for his health, despite him suffering a heart attack. He said, "The letter didn't say she loved me. It did not even ask how I was. It showed no concern about the fact I had suffered a heart attack and asked no questions about my health." Justin Rushbrook QC, representing Meghan, described the hand-written letter as a heartfelt plea from an anguished daughter to her father. He said the contents and character of the letter were intrinsically private, personal and sensitive in nature and that Meghan, therefore, had a reasonable expectation of privacy in respect of the contents of the letter. ANL's barrister Anthony White QC earlier argued that Meghan's admission she had a fear that her letter to her father might be intercepted showed that she must, at the very least, have appreciated that her father might choose to disclose it. The hearing before Mr. Justice Warby is due to last 2 days and it is expected he will reserve his judgment to a later date. The Countess of Wessex turns 56 today, but the royal favourite will be unable to mark her birthday in any significant way due to ongoing lockdown restrictions. Sophie is celebrating her birthday on January 20th during England's third lockdown. While the royal may have hoped to mark the milestone with friends and wider family, a larger celebration will not be able to take place until COVID-19 restrictions are relaxed. Senior royal aides to Prince Charles and Prince William have stepped down from their roles within days of each other, sparking a major overhaul in the royal family. The Duke of Cambridge's private secretary Christian Jones will leave his position to become a partner at private equity firm Bridgepoint. The Prince of Wales Communications Secretary Julian Payne will also leave his role to become chair of corporate affairs EMEA for a global public relations firm Edelman. Prince Harry and Prince William are at risk of making the same toxic mistake as their late mother Princess Diana in the palace civil war, according to a royal commentator. Daniela Elza, an Australian journalist and royal commentator, said the Duke of Sussex and Duke of Cambridge could be going down a dangerous path. In a recent column, the royal expert said she hopes Harry and William will stop fighting a war through the media as their parents did in the 1990s.